Welcome to this video about using social proof to enhance your landing page's conversion rates. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of social proof and how to implement it effectively on your landing page. First, let's define social proof. It's the idea that people are influenced by the actions and opinions of others. When others do something, we assume that it's the correct thing to do. This is why social proof is so effective in marketing. There are different types of social proof, including customer testimonials, influencer endorsements, and social media shares. Each type has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose the right type for your landing page. To implement social proof on your landing page, you can add customer reviews, showcase your social media following, or feature endorsements from notable people or publications. Remember to keep your social proof relevant to your product or service and prominently display it on your landing page. In conclusion, using social proof can greatly enhance your landing page's conversion rates. By showcasing the actions and opinions of others, you can build trust and credibility with potential customers. Remember to choose the right type of social proof and prominently display it on your landing page.